Hello. This video serves as a brief introduction to our free Affordable Care Act toolbox. These Excel spreadsheets will help you determine if the ACA will apply to you, identify full-time employees, track offers of coverage, and ensure that the coverage is affordable. We hope they'll be helpful. Let's begin. The first tab calculates the number of full-time equivalent, or FTE, employees you have. Not only does each full-time employee count as one, but the hours of each part-time employee count fractionally toward an FTE. By entering the population or hours of the different employee types, we can calculate if we have at least 50 FTEs. Less than that, and you don't need to go any further. The ACA does not apply to you. Remember, the data you use for this calculation tells you whether you are an ALE for the next year. It makes sense when you think about it, and remember that you can't go back in time and offer insurance last January. By entering the fields in white, we see that our average number of FTEs for this example is 63. We are an ALE and must offer qualifying coverage to our full-time employees next year. The next four worksheets each identify full-time employees using the look-back method. They simply use different pay periods for your convenience: weekly, bi-weekly, semi-monthly, and monthly. I'm going to demonstrate semi-monthly, but the others work the same. Like the ALE calculation spreadsheet, we will enter data into the white fields. If your time tracking or payroll solution has an Excel output, you will be able to arrange your data into the same sequence we have here and simply copy and paste. The shaded column will identify full-time employees with a red light icon, employees who are clearly part-time with a green icon, and those just beneath the threshold with yellow. At the top, there is a running total of full-timers in red. And lastly, we have an insurance report. By entering the company's insurance contribution percentage, employee IDs or name, income, and total annual premium, the shaded columns give us information about the split and whether it meets the federal definition of affordable, which is currently 9.5%. A red indicator means an employee's share would be too expensive, leaving the employer susceptible to a shared responsibility payment. Yellow denotes an employee share between 9 and 9.5%, while green means that there is a relatively safe margin under that affordability threshold. If I increase our company contribution from 63% to 70%, you can see that we are now in safe territory across the board. We hope this gives you a good start with the ACA. If you are ready for a complete solution, including automated time entry to monthly analysis reporting to end-of-year paper or electronic IRS filing, Passport Affordable Care Act management software does all of the above.